Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening system settings on your Nintendo Switch. This is where sleep behavior is controlled. Once done, make sure Fortnite is closed so changes apply cleanly. Navigate to sleep mode settings under System Settings. You need to adjust both auto sleep and controller idle options so the console won't interrupt gameplay. You now change auto sleep to never and confirm controller idle is off. This prevents the Switch from entering sleep while you play Fortnite. If you play docked, double-check TV settings and HDMI CEC features that can trigger sleep. Make these changes thoughtfully because they affect battery life when undocked, so plan to plug in for long sessions. You finish by launching Fortnite and testing for a longer play period. Observe whether the console stays awake. If sleep still activates, reboot your Switch and reapply the never setting. Sometimes changes need a restart to take effect. If problems continue, update system firmware and Fortnite and disable HDMI CEC on your TV as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.